EVM, VVPAT issue?
So you have to realize two things here. First of all, it's that now machines are not the main target. The main problem here is the dispensation. And when I say dispensation, I mean Modi Sarkar, which changed rules to select its own election commissioners. It's the process which is being questioned. So if you can manipulate there, then what are the chances that it cannot be done again? And there has been a study by Ashoka University ex-professor of how manipulation was done in 2019 Lok Sabha
you
elections.
Are already saying,
so you can't say
so
that everything is
that even
above board.
बाकी दो guests पे नहीं जाते, move on to the third story.
If you get it, they are not going to be satisfied. They are already looking for another alibi.
No, this is not an alibi. The people looking for alibi here are the people. Just before, in the previous debate, a gentleman was saying that inheritance tax is a socialist idea. It is implemented in USA, which is a capitalist country, and Jayant Sinha, Arun Jaitley, and the income tax department of Modi Sarkar after COVID had suggested that inheritance tax be included, be levied now again. So it's the Modi Sarkar which is, right now is indulging in
But did BJP do that? But did BJP do that? Even if I take you, on that point that Jayant Sinha or late Arun Jaitley proposed, did Modi, did the Prime Minister implement? The Prime Minister could have implemented in 2014, in 2019. Did he do? No. He is standing today, Abhishek, in front of lakhs of people and challenging and questioning it. Just because America did it, Ashutosh, that is my problem with the Congress party. Just because, Abhishek, just because America did it,
you are again misleading the public.
It doesn't have to be right for India.
It's not divide on everyone. It's not divide on you and me.
Just because America did it, it's not right for India. Understand this.
You have to realize it's the Soot-Boot ki Sarkar which is more worried that inheritance tax will be levied on its crony capitalists who have been paying it the electoral bonds. What happens to them? You and we, people who are
Abhishek, you need to remind him of what Rajiv Gandhi did
middle class don't have to worry
in the first cabinet or in the first budget, beg your pardon, in 1985. Why he removed the inheritance. Abhishek, you need to remind him. Abhishek, you need to remind Ashutosh Mishra.
Unemployment and rising cost of life has people are sick of it, and now he has to change the
Ashutosh, you are not getting the
point. And that's what he's trying to do.
Aishwarya, I need not remind anything to Ashutosh. He knows what he is up to, what the Congress party is doing, or what rather the Congress party ecosystem is trying to do with this timing of a petition on EVMs yet again.